Okay, in a standard material, let's continue to material editor channel. And now we are in glow channel. If you activate glow channel, you can see it's just create a glow around the object. For better seeing that, you can insert object, make sure that you assign a material to that. And for seeing that, it's better to interactive render. And now you can see we have a glow. In a glow channel, color and the brightness is turned off because we use material color. It means if you go to color, it change the color of the glow. You can see glow is changing. But for example, if you want to, your object is green, red, and you want to add another color of the glow, you can deactivate the use material and the light is turned on. And we have other glow and the material of the object is another thing. So we are coming here and you can change the glow color, for example, to yellow. And let's see settings. If it has 100% brightness, if you decrease the number of that, you can see the glow around and the main object, color of the object. Inner radius, outer strengths. I will show you in this image. For example, this is your object and it's a glow. This is an outer strength of that, inner strength, and this is a radius of your glow. And for radius, you can increase the number of radius and you can see this is a radius. Outer strings, you can see. And inner strings, you can decrease or increase of that to better see the inner object. Another interesting thing of the glow is the random and frequency. If you increase the number of that, for example, 4, you need to render with animation. For doing that, for seeing that, going to the render setting, and we need a simple animation. Going to the output aspect ratio, I give a small aspect ratio to render it fast, and the range I change it to the all. Going to the save, you can change the file save, and here you can change MP4, and let's render in picture viewer. Yep, sorry. Yeah, you can see in render in picture viewer. And if you play that, you can see we have a simple animation of the glow. It's it's for frequency and the random. Another limitation of the glow that it does not emit light or anything else, and you cannot see the glow when you use a transparency. For example, I'll assign object here, come in there, activate render, and make it little bit transparency, and you cannot see. You can see we cannot see the glow. If you something like that, you can see you can glow from this direction. And if you go over a transparent object, you cannot see the glow because it's fake. It's just glow around the object. It's a limitation of that. And that's it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.